You count on me. Right out of hell, follow my lead. You wanna dance, you don't know how to get it on the floor, man. Don't hold back for anyone. Close your eyes, just follow the inner light. You count on me. You wanna dance, you don't know how to get it on the floor, man. Don't hold back for anyone. Close your eyes, just follow the inner light. You count on me. So follow me too. Harder, you wanna dance, I wanna lead. Slide of the hand to never see. You wanna dance, you don't know how to get it on the floor, man. Don't hold back for anyone. Close your eyes, just.
And as far as you know, were there any drones that were flying above campus that day?
Not that I know of.
At some point, there were drones in the air. Is that right? Did you become aware of that?
Yes, I was made aware of that.
Right. Do you know who put the drones in the air?
Correct.
Wasn't there also a bullet found on another building?
I believe an unfired bullet had been found on another building at some point during my time there on September 10th. Yes.
Which building was that, sir?
I don't recall.
Was that considered a scene that was worth preserving?
It was not.
Was that considered a scene that was worth preserving?
It was not.
Was that considered a scene that was worth preserving?
It was not.
That's one small step for man.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, yeah. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She says that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.D. She keep playing me down. I'ma play her for fun. Don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling down in the drought. No flow rain was pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mom was kinda loud. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this burn.
That's one small step for man.
What you know about
So, as a general rule of thumb, anytime that someone gets shot in public in America and it's a big conspiracy and it seems like we're being lied to, it's probably worth following along with John Cullen. He broke a whole bunch of the stuff wide open about the Las Vegas shooting back in 2017, and he certainly is getting involved in this one. John can be a bit of a pain. He can be a bit of an ass online, but he does some damn fine work. And he has been tracking a couple of developments on this story that basically no one else is talking about. And whether that's for some suspicious reason or because it's a little too nuanced and esoteric and people just haven't quite caught up to where John is at yet, I don't know. But let's take a quick look at some of these flying things that John is finding. Not just John, but John is at the front of this. So I'm pretty sure that John has found a CIA spy plane to take a flight over there that is sort of in the pipeline for air-launched drones, because they've been finding a whole bunch of what look like drones in the footage, like I think more than 10 instances at this point.
everything. Okay. It's like an investigation that never stops. It's just trains that are slowly moving as we get answers. And like I said, even that I've been sitting on for a while. I'm waiting for people to react, see what people say, because I need to know who's guilty of what. I don't know, but I need to watch people lie. Now, one area of conversation that I haven't said much about, but I want you to know we are still working on it, are the 2 planes that day, right? One of them being the plane that people have recognized is military. That's tail number N1098L. So this plane left from Texas, went over to Utah right about the time that Charlie got assassinated. It dipped real low. It seemed like who knows what this plane was being sent there for, but the fact that this plane had been used in the military rightfully alerted people to the fact that they may have had some knowledge. This plane may have had some knowledge of what was going to occur.
And showing older clips that newer viewers may not have seen. But also, like John Cullen was in the news recently talking about the military spy plane. So we pulled a little bit we did from a few months ago or a month or two ago from the military spy plane. It's the same type of plane. It's the same Hades program. So we go and we pull it up on the ADSB. You'll never believe where this plane went that night. This is while Tyler Robinson is at the station. Back in time because there was a plane we were looking at that had gone to Fort Huachuca, and it had gone to Fort Huachuca on its way to Kalispell, Montana. And Kalispell, Montana kept popping up. Fort Huachuca kept popping up. Let me just go back and do it this way. On the day Charlie Kirk was taken out, there was a mysterious spy plane. Tail number was November N1098 Lima 1098L. And it is a Bombardier 6500 commercial plane, but it's being adapted for military use. And it's a spy plane. It's an ISR plane. The interesting thing about that is Fort Huachuca is sort of the nation's premier ISR training base. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance. It's high-tech spy stuff. And this 6500, this Axel 10 plane, this N1098L, these planes are being outfitted with some of the most sensitive military spy equipment ever known. The stuff you can't even imagine. It's able to intercept communications. It's able to deploy drones. It's able to do all kinds of crazy stuff. This is a fancy piece of equipment. On the day of the Big Bang, we know that this flight took place because we looked at it. If you've been watching a while, this is a little bit of recap. We knew this flight took place. It went from El Paso to Kalispell, and on its way up there, it did this little loop-de-loop. It was flying to Kalispell from El Paso on this little teal-looking line down here. It comes and takes a hard left. It goes over the southern part of Utah Lake. It flips back around, and it flies really low. Really, really low. 114 knots it's flying. I mean, that's almost stall speed. If it went any slower, it would lose lift and fall out of the sky. And it's flying at like 100 or 200 feet off the deck. I know over here it says 5,100 feet, but you got to subtract the altitude. You got to subtract the altitude of Provo, which is like 5,000 feet in the air. And it's coming in, and it makes what looks like an approach over Provo. Well, the interesting part of this is Utah Valley University campus right up here. So, I mean, it's just right there. It flies super low and slow right next to where the Charlie Kirk event's going to take place. And keep in mind what this plane can do. This is a very, very fancy plane. It's a very sensitive spy equipment. It can detect, I'll show you an article in a minute on what it can do. It can detect movement. It can intercept communications. It can, de-encrypt stuff that you think is encrypted that is being transmitted over the air. It's a very, very fancy piece of equipment. So that took place before the event. It took place about 9:16 a.m. About the time we're told Tyler Robinson showed up on campus, weirdly enough. Now, after the event, the plane is flying back from Kalispell to El Paso. And it leaves Kalispell, and it starts coming down, and it flies down, and here it is, again, just adjacent to Utah Valley University, which is right over here. just adjacent to Utah Valley University. It's at 12:48 p.m., so just 25 minutes or so after the Big Bang. Tyler's on it. Charlie's on his way to the hospital. Exfil teams, if there was more than one person, they would be getting out of the area. It would be really nice to be able to have a plane with incredible technology on board that can bring in tremendous amounts of data using server racks that are actually on the plane in real time, process all that data and see what's going on the ground. That's what these planes are used for in real life. And again, it's flying at 123 knots, just over stall speed at 4,900 feet. I mean, right on the deck. And then it does its little loop around, and then it leaves the area and goes back to El Paso. Now
It's one small step for man.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, yeah. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She says that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.D. She keep playing me down. I'ma play her for fun. You don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling down in the drought. No flow rain was pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mom was kinda loud. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, people feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this burn.
It's one small step for man.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion.